Since what she was, Casa show and Casa Pete so. Twene Jonas, in fact, ordinary no abebu NDC for pay, ordinary no abebu abebu mabitwa play. Concerning Galamsey, or this NDC for intimate to Galamsey sia, and your omu, ehuni ye, ewa Ghana sa series. I have Penyah block media, message any demo. Over like a video, no other room, over subscribe button, there's no better click button of case now connect for latest updates. Now better watch when dear mama, ewa comment section, Mr. Obaswa, no watch a video number for so any be ashe. The issue of Galamsey was na esate because I even have a video as of 26th March 2017. After say Akufo-Addo taking over from NDC, there was this gentleman, now then journalist, obey a video or the plane, the plane etu feriem. That time Akufo-Addo betena konyanso for only 3 months. The plane etu feriem capture a very big land that Galamsey are destroying. And by that time, they were daring MPP and Akufo-Addo government to stop Galamsey. That was when Akufo-Addo in just office for 3 months. 3 months. It means Galamsey ewo hodada. Galamsey da honye na asemwa. What I say? Emma, the fight against Galamsey Kurano. MPP time in fact, Ghana for your Twene Akufo-Addo boss pa.
Betu etiamo. Ye nana bako Galamsey bebre. Nana do baku Galamsey bebre.
My children and your children will not have potable water to drink. Today, you are even getting trouble getting water in your pipes because of Galamsey. So I don't care the person's political party. If the person is NDC, if the person is a national executive of the NDC and he's doing Galamsey, arrest him and jail him. Sure. And I believe that for the first time, we should actually have the firing squad come brought back. Because look,
let's check.
No. It is still on our statute books.
Yes.
The people who
it still is there, but for decades it's not been used.
Yes, but on this one, because listen, Chief, you haven't flown over the land to see the devastation to our land, to see the devastation to our water bodies. If you have, you would understand the pain with which I speak. Because look, I sit here and I'm asking myself, by 2030, today, we are importing everything. Now 2030 is just 8 years away. We are going to have to start importing water.
Emma, Mekai, Sam George, I will make you tweet, or Twitter, I will tell him, say, President Otiswa Ghana, yes, he can edit to an canon. Libacron, or to me, say, obetum de na what you pay, as topic Galamsey, or to me, so betum de na what you pay, as topic Galamsey. Emma, I'm on for quick and say, Sam George, we don't have to politicize the fight against Galamsey. I was saying, I come together, near fighting Galamsey. Sam George, that's what we have to politicize it. I was here, dear politics. Because I almost more abemu, and a bit my fighting Galamsey, and yet, Timemufo. Because I okay, black one. I was say, on your botreko, and so be as say. Ekwasise bubugu ntomu de tag ebobo ho river bonsa river cobra river ofen river densu river hwanwan e beye press conference
the Pule River. We couldn't find hope anywhere. There was no succor, no solace. Everywhere we went to, this is Manfi. When we went to Prague, also Terry. The Odan River, no hope, and Cobra was even west. Then River Ofen, and this is the Bune River. So this is what we are dealing with. It's only the Water River that gave us a little hope, you know. Even that we are hearing that it is just a matter of time because the solar area, we are told that the white water is beginning to interface and defile the Volta River as well. So you see, the Ghanaian people seeing this don't expect their leaders. All of us, including all of us. This one is not. We don't have to. We all have to take collective responsibility because as Parliament, we are also approving these policies, these resource allocations, these institutions who come to report to us and justify why a certain allocation was properly utilized. We've been doing all these anti-Galamsey operations for years. Which this House has approved, running to billions. And every year we appear to be complicit somehow when we approve judicious use of the previous year's resources and then give the institutions more resources to go and stop Galamsey. And yet this is where we are as a country. So we say, we want you to really profile.
Emma Ghana for you know say Ekufo Adoni MPP abai omo ntimi ntu Galamsey ase enti yam to abani ntia wo no mu stop Galamsey. Emma bisa Ghana for yati ase nyina ya adwen ba ko ene tutia MPP. NDC aba power.
Yeba omo chi omo Galamsey no omo atu omo mu yeba ma omo amnesty no omo asaba. Logidi say, Emrebia omofomie, omo ho.
Galamsey doesn't cause I just say, and Tremuka just say, I fear now by west because there are Ivorians militants in the forest. Our omuna protect Galamsey activities as our corners a wooden kwasma. Omube kun atumulem honomo. As Sadiq Adams and the expose way. Eba
after on the 11th, that way on the 7th, and she say, I will at the mom because on one of us I got now. Said the Bay Yemi and Moblay or my Jumata Catholic, which would be not a finity. And so, just I was 1 month out of Alcohine, now so the Abba Yaguma, now so no criminal call for Friday, Eddie, and 2 hours for Twabana, John Mahama. And I don't mind I'm a man and that's what I'm saying. No, a Ghana for dia. A papa baby of the fat war. Now we did be not in a flat hole. Be out of the house. Why then? Why, yes, I'm an yeah, a woman details here. Papa, a bit rich and say, yeah, or my penny John Mahama. As he said, our day back, the man of my day. Now, don't you do man up here? I'm on to the Iowa. Says a Galamsey, a cost of pie and this careful. Then the animal mark for a Tony, my sort on the money. Who could do my Corona Yagam to what we don't have your stock? I would do that. The classes and you have just told. And for me, over stores me in a day. With Nana from your mamma for back, or the king can have a human attire.
And one about it said, Nibakro ya children say on a Minister for Lands and Resources. Wabetrim say the fight against Galamsey is not the burden, or it is not for the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Or say any Minister for Lands and Natural Resources and also Kuntia Galamsey. Me who ye, and can see Minister for Lands and Natural Resources there. Oh no, was are saying home by any adebia. Anything by nature, natural resources, your forest, your bibia, your sassy, one I will protect it. You don't say on a high commissioner, one I will die no home by. But somebody said the fight against Galamsey, and yet the work for Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. That's it. Oh, Patrick say, and some way you know, I'm not Twene Jonas. I tell you, no, see there be. My men can't say me to NDC for us, we have for more. And what you say, NDC for Galamsey, moon to us here, and yes, I'm Twene Jonas, minimum be woo. Upways.
Chesa. Munya Jumani ufui. Ena Galamsey no muntu no. Se John Mahama wan stop Galamsey na ediwama muo no ebekọ efie ntem.
at the end this be coffee galamsey every day na me di baby me ba be fire chama to me because of galamsey and mo NDC fo agime fo mo ba na no ya I never expected you say mo start galamsey so quick sir so I never expect you say mo nya dan mo start galamsey so quick sir enti se mo nim say mo ntimi stop galamsey. That is your failure right there. At the same time no mamu sama meyebi because mo beye galamsey ana abese money NDC. There is no difference between MPP and NDC. Enti yena edi mo ho adanse ani nim se munim nyansa no mo nkura ma Jimmy Chen MPP fo na ne ye koya na e ba enti se mehwe na IGP na aba no ntimi stop NDC fo na mutu galamsey na me amebo pa ma obi atwaja to NDC fo na excavator no me Twene Jonas John Mahama ntimi nkasa obi ntimi nka bi mamo se ma Jimmy na mo ntimi stop galamsey na me am stop na mamo Kwaseafoɔ. We want Ghana to develop. Ghana first before NDC MPP. Me kan okra kire mo. Se mo beba be se yensuo na oman na yetim no. Ensu ayenum nyina ye chemicals because NDC MPP mu nyina mo Kwaseafoɔ. Sa Kwaseasem no na aye den. Adwuma bia ni wa mbetimi aye oman no apart from se ye be se ye krom nsuo. Yemfa MPP for nkofie because of galamsey. Ni enkofa monsomo mra na monsomo ba ya ma be start sensu ma jimi on. Ma jimi on. Eti wo John Mahama no so wan hwe ye. Na wo ye lose ho a me no. Ye ni agro. Obi say 1,300 containers are missing in Tema Port. All right, it's I don't know about that, but if I get information, I'll talk about it. Obisi come and stop it. Obisi John Mahama, daughter said you are cheating on her. Oh, catch and say social media wife, real life with your own wife. Why, Eti? Obisi, we are waiting for your I know I'm in deportation by nkwaseafoɔ. Kevin Taylor can never deport an ant. Tefre won't mean deport. Tefre won't mean deport. On your beer, he's nobody. And the NDC leaders now moye galamsey no. It's never too late. Move it to me jai. Because I'm going to Jimmy I know na dem go position nice one. It's never too late. Say leaders I'm going to fight galamsey. Mo na moye galamsey nkwaseasem na mo ni yedi no. And it's a man ya edumbe opposition. I'm telling you the fact. Obias Roma, me want Yamimisro, Biamimisro, and this Misro, people who are Jimmy the Bama, winning young Sameba be praise you. Shout out to Ghana Blaster players. You guys are doing well. Thomas Pate, Dr. B, our America, or is Kanika Siapa, or Pel number, or Poasem, or Asna fan. The Biobisame Mase was a free ho, and he hit me all for number, send me on Instagram and our Facebook. Thomas Pate. For our number, WhatsApp number, send me or Instagram. Na me nyada remember doctor ne unkasa. Ebi obetimi a $1 bi amount because o your fan of feel okay. And Timon can't let Thomas Pate Blaster players. Kodos na wo hwem you. Say Jordan you na wo hwem you. Wa wo hwem sisi ano. Fre Pate ka che ne say. Mesi onya dan. On fan number and test me. Na me ma doctor ne frɛ no me a me frɛ no na doctor ne na kasa na afi no doctor ne feel no na wa wai kakra di amount because Ghana Blasters players ball amobo mu nyampa so bi amfiri so to fefe wa na munyanti America boga broni a jawo no ho si opo asema so ye hard na fa na namfo na week bi o wai ta wanya ayi no client week bi a wire you more $50,000 bi kura more what did enti doctor ne si o Philip Pate openasem enti Pate on ja eto we dia no odi o hey eto bi enam mo mu an me donya me god damn eto a me hu a hand e me donya me me di agura asem beto me ne anyway ma me fa to na you really warm up no enti with that being said, let's get into it, man. Me bo ka metia mo amusi eto kese ni America no ya ma mo yale mo mpie ntia o mo hihye dan mu no mo ni bie koso TV so nko ana mo mpie mra mo mpie mfa krom you go and see things, man. Obviously you won against Kevin Taylor nko a obi obeba be face Twene Jonas bi obe lose match na e aboa nko ana na adwen ne say obetimi ya defeat the almighty aboa NDC mu group ba ko pe mu ba be face the almighty me NDC for hwem ya no pe ya o MPP for hwem ya no pe CPP hwem Ghana for nyina hwem Kevin Taylor kasa obi anim say ye ntro yo ka bia NDC for na manis kasa onkoka me obi ama me kapre wagimi unim nyansa Kevin Taylor ntime nkoka se NDC for ye galamsey da because ombe janis ketua me kind of physical so manya ya me amebo pa me akohye o mascavator what is o matimi ni o jimi aba forward the warm up there's no favoritism obi ahye warm up ase and wagimi unim nyansa asem bia ni ho and there's no favoritism in warm up the same way MPP for ba na o magimi no saa na mo so maba na enim se munim nyansa na mo so magimi chen o mo a ye be ye mo ho adwuma asem bia ni ho and se mama mo be ma post na di mutrim na mbe jimi abeka ntoko a muntime nko e mo amasem now Kevin Taylor jimi wona mo ehu nkwaseafoɔ abra the almighty Twene Jonas me video ba ko anu akura me beye no he impression keke o video ba ko po impression keke video ba ko pe ehun impression video we say impression keke o I also check Kevin Taylor ni views ni views impression keke say obi a like video no obi a sere obi ye bibi o video no so no and your friend impression keke no so check Kevin Taylor views nyina wo wi ase wow inti her impression keke o video ba ko pe ho impression keke no saying 200,000 impression keke engagement keke sa views no bisa say Kevin Taylor wanya bi wi ase da and a video am here less than 1 day ago video am here 1 day ago any 1 day ago 600,000 people na here 600,000 so and we don't buy views here we speak the truth John Mahama buy obetwa yi labi mene Twene Jonas mene first person am be praise no enti oba na oya de pa ye be bo na baso ojimi nso a ye be ya den ye be condemn enti we want the Ghana to develop enti me ma say oman a ye piem ye wo bibia na jimi nti ye bre we don't want that to happen obi so where is your empower apakiasi garage o and I me ba me store bu ase me stores bu a tuo bi na manim saa makasa ne ma o ja obua o mo amosi America tuo ni ha no mo osere umpie ntia wadi ase umpie abontintia and John Mahama o promise teacher training ni nursing training for an see obetua 2 months allowances amomo alawa 2 months no nya ntua enti da ben na betua alawa no ana e ma stock enti teacher training ni nursing training allowances na promise you no kan ko tua ma omo because emeyes akufuado no adada omo na kofuo sika untua enti kan ko tua ma omo wo se wo the different type of loan student loan na dey bre omo a omati ase ba wa promise you so betua alawa tialawa no wow utiama muwia o se Kevin Taylor is watching you with fake account yes obehwe me because omunyina boss ne me omunyina esua me they want to be like the almighty Twene Jonas and whether you like it or not the almighty Twene Jonas is the best na me catch us heavy na mu na we yamisha broni everybody is below warm up enti John Mahama me ma 2 months account when tia allowance na never be fire na say you are no different from Akufo-Addo enti ye na tia allowance no ma mo wa promise omo we don't want no promise and fail bia e wa ha so enti sa pepe ne ye pe no enti Kennedy Japan no mun kofa no on na akum nipa na mun nyai boy no odi ni birthday no no medi birthday a nka obi ani ho anadwen ne say akwa no edeka oye kronfo oye money laundry ahoya na eku bibini eti onto se bibini beja ahoya yenye da ti wo hwe me ameka kire wo sika fasie wo sika diwade silence ema me ya yesem akwa ya nkodi ni birthday wani ni birthday na anto pressure amomo a nkomo nkonkofa no birthday ni pressure ntino makwa komoa no wow boy no ya ade enipa bebre ba wiase omunya sika am de somtwe om de ahan dan ama madam ebi di tua ma school fees ebi de ma to school na man wie school na ma be di o matema guso ena boy ni si won de ye investment na o de aboa ono ana brabo no wayeye wanya wanko tuska na huo no de aye investment na ene eho abamfaso a edi ntina mo de ye mo ya o celebrate ni birthday ye mo ya ahoya abra birthday no is a form of job creation oboabo ani pasa akode mu nyina nya sika won stone boy mu nyina nya kwako perform wase enya kakrata free nti adan na bibini nko bibia ye ne ya enti mu mie nya isa so enti abrantie ene ya machine ni customers nyina ebe yi omusika afri microfinance no because ebe man adwuma akofom because obi tisi ache ne se kim hey akwa ne money laundry dia ma me koyi misika na bank na hu because nam one e di omusika adwane wahu DKM di omusika adwane aban bia ni wa watimi aba ba chi o magisika no foolish case eti se mo kwache ne se kima obi abekwa koyi ni sika akwa ne ndwuma nyina abekofo enu ntina wo sika e wo se okipi ni secret and make it kanchire nkofo whatever you are doing keep it secret obi say me pese me ware o princess eni me ware bebrebe obi ko me be ware John Mahama ba no obeti asia a second wife dia me ware na me catch a special way of that be to ball go free special way of konya tena so free nya me sha broni wa ba no to me charge your phone free or USB na dia sha or charge and so na dia sha bibia free special of konya. Isn't this incredible? Nya me sha broni amentena so nchele kakra amentena so nchele kakra bibia free nya me sha broni have na mu na hwe no nya me sha broni enti amentena so nchele kakra anyway have na mu nie eti warm up is the best. Obviously we are celebrating
Chirawa from mame ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.